Alright, so now I have my animation set up basically the way I want it, but I want to double check my camera. So I'm going to change to view, and I'm going to set it to camera. Okay, so I kind of know if I zoom in and out, and I have the locked camera view. So if I scroll down here under view, okay, I had to, if this is gone, click the plus symbol, and then there's the option to lock camera view. If it is not locked, it won't have the red around it, but I have it locked. So now I want it more center, and now I can go around and I can move and adjust, what angle I'm seeing things at, and if I want to just kind of, and I need to do solid. This is taking too long. Let's go back to solid. Okay, so now I can adjust, and maybe I need to zoom in a little bit, or maybe I'm going to set my cursor. Let's cursor, and then actually let me drop it down a little bit lower, and then go to view, align view, center view to cursor. So then you can just kind of center it up, and then I might actually go a little bit higher and do it again, because now I've got too much space at the bottom, and you really want it fully centered into that window. So I could go back and then align view, again, center view to cursor, dropped it down, and that's basically the way I want it. And now if I go back to rendered view, it's now centered. If I go back and I go in my timeline, I can preview my animation. Actually, it should, oh, actually, let me go back to animation. Let me go back. Okay, so that's still working. And I want to check how many frames, because I don't want to render by default 250 frames. As you can see right here is what it's going to render. I don't want that many. It's just too much work on your computer. So I would dial it back down to where does the animation stop. So then I would change this to 60, and then I'd go through the steps for rendering.